everyone, and welcome to the Everyday English with Emily and Daniel channel. I'm Emily.
And I'm Daniel. We're so happy you're here with us today.
This is your friendly place to learn easy, real English conversations. We want you to feel confident speaking English, even if you're just starting. So take a deep breath, relax, and let's learn together.
Today we're talking about something almost everyone feels sometimes. Me? Yes, I feel it too. We're talking about feeling stressed.
Stress. It's a very common feeling in daily life. Our hook for today. Your day feels too full and your mind won't slow down. Have you ever felt that, Daniel?
Oh yes, many times. Like when work piles up or exams are coming. So what does feeling stressed mean? It's simple. It means you feel worried, tense, or overwhelmed because of pressure.
Exactly. Your body might feel tight, your heart beats faster, and your thoughts go round and round. Today we'll learn why we feel stressed, common English phrases to talk about it, some easy conversations, and simple tips to feel better.
This is super important for English learners too. Sometimes you feel stressed before speaking English. What if I make a mistake? Right?
Yes. So let's start with some common situations where people feel stressed. Daniel, can you think of a time you felt stressed about something simple?
Sure. A very common one. Work or study deadlines. I have a big report due tomorrow. I look at my computer and think, there's so much to do, I can't finish. My shoulders feel tight. I'm feeling stressed.
I do that too. Another one. Traffic or being late. You're in the car, stuck, and the clock is ticking. Oh no, I'll be late for class. Stress.
Or family things, like planning a big dinner and everything goes wrong. Pots boiling over, phone ringing. Too much at once.
So true. Now, let's learn how to say this in English. We'll start with easy phrases. First one, I'm feeling stressed. Very simple. Let's say it together slowly. I'm feeling stressed. Good. Another one. I'm stressed out. This is super common and informal. I'm stressed out about work.
Yes, or this is stressing me out. Like, this deadline is stressing me out.
Perfect. Let's practice. This deadline is stressing me out. Another good one. I'm under a lot of pressure. More formal. Good for work or school. I'm under a lot of pressure right now.
And I'm overwhelmed. When everything feels too much. I have so many tasks. I'm overwhelmed.
Great. One more. I have a lot on my plate. It means too many things to do. I have a lot on my plate these days.
Let's make a little example conversation. Emily, pretend I'm your friend. I call you feeling stressed.
Okay. Go.
Hi, Emily. I'm feeling really stressed today.
Oh no, Daniel. What's stressing you out?
Work. I have 3 meetings, emails everywhere, and a report due. I'm overwhelmed.
I understand. You have a lot on your plate. But breathe. You're doing great. Maybe take a short break.
Thanks, Emily. Talking helps. I'm under a lot of pressure, but yeah, maybe a walk.
See? A short talk makes it feel smaller. Now let's talk about more situations. First, stress at work or school.
Big one. You have exams or a boss asking for more work. Your mind races. I can't do this. I'll fail.
For English learners, speaking in class can stress you too. What if they don't understand me?
Let's do a role play. Imagine we're colleagues.
Hi, Daniel. You look stressed. Everything okay?
Hi, Emily. Yeah, I'm stressed out. The project deadline is tomorrow and I'm not ready.
Oh, that sounds tough. You're under a lot of pressure. What part is the hardest?
Everything, reports, data. I feel overwhelmed.
Okay, let's break it down. One step at a time. First, finish the introduction. You can do it.
Thanks. You're right. I was thinking too big.
See? Small steps help.
Next situation. Stress in daily life, like home or family.
Yes. Kids crying, house messy, dinner to cook. I can't handle this.
Or money worries. Bills coming, not enough saved. Stress.
Let's role play again. You're my roommate.
Emily, I'm feeling stressed. Rent is due and my phone bill is high.
I get it, Daniel. Money stress is real. You're under pressure. Want to talk about a plan?
Yes, maybe cut some expenses.
Good idea. We can make a list together. Talking makes it less scary.
Now the most important for our viewers, stress about speaking English.
Many learners feel stressed before talking. My words are wrong. They'll laugh.
But remember, everyone makes mistakes. Even we do. The goal is to communicate, not be perfect.
So what thoughts come? I'm too nervous. Or, I don't know enough words.
Common. But try this positive phrase. It's okay to feel stressed. I'm learning.
Repeat after us. It's okay to feel stressed. I'm learning. Another. Mistakes help me improve.
And I can do this one small step at a time.
Let's role play ordering food. A stressful moment for many.
Okay, I'm at a cafe. Heart beating fast.
Hi. What can I get you?
Hi. One coffee, please. With milk.
Sure. Large or small?
Small, please, see? I was stressed, but it was easy. The barista smiled. No problem.
Even if you said coffee, please milk, they understand. Done is better than perfect. Simple tricks to feel better.
So we talked about situations. Now, how to stop feeling so stressed. Here are simple tips.
First tip. Breathe deeply. When stress comes, stop. Take one slow breath in. Hold out slowly. Let's do it together. In. Hold. Out. Feel a little calmer? It tells your body it's safe.
Second tip, break big things into small steps. Don't think I have to finish everything. Think, first, do this one email. Small wins reduce stress.
Example. Big exam. Don't say study all night. Say, study one chapter now. Easier.
Third tip, talk to someone. Say, I'm feeling stressed. Can we talk? Sharing makes the load lighter.
You can say, I'm overwhelmed. I need to vent. Vent means talk and let it out.
Or, can you help me? I'm under pressure.
Powerful.
Now, common mistakes we make with stress. First, ignoring it. You think, I'll be fine, but it gets bigger. Better to notice early, I'm feeling stressed now.
Second, catastrophizing. Like, if I fail this, my life is over. One bad thing becomes a huge disaster in your mind.
Ask yourself, is this really true? Or am I stressed and imagining the worst?
Third, too much coffee or no sleep. It makes stress worse. Try water, a walk, or early bed instead.
And waiting for stress to disappear alone. It usually doesn't. Talk, breathe, move. Action helps.
Okay, practice time. Let's recap key phrases. Repeat after us slowly. Great for speaking practice. First, I'm feeling stressed. Pause. I'm feeling stressed.
I'm stressed out. Pause. I'm stressed out.
This is stressing me out. Pause. This is stressing me out.
I'm under a lot of pressure. Pause. I'm under a lot of pressure.
I'm overwhelmed. Pause. I'm overwhelmed.
I have a lot on my plate. Pause. I have a lot on my plate.
Positive ones. It's okay to feel stressed. I'm learning. Pause, repeat twice.
I can do this one step at a time. Pause.
And to ask help, I'm feeling stressed. Can we talk? Pause. I'm feeling stressed. Can we talk?
Excellent. Write these in your notebook. Say them every day.
Remember our tips. Breathe deeply. Break it into small steps. Talk to someone. You don't have to handle stress alone.
Wow, Emily, that was a helpful talk. I feel less stressed just recording it.
Me too. Remember, feeling stressed is normal. Everyone has days like this. But with these phrases and tips, you can talk about it and feel better.
Your English journey is amazing. Be kind to yourself. Every small conversation is a win.
Thank you so much for watching our first video. If you liked it, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Tell a friend who needs this.
In the comments, write, what stresses you out? Use one phrase from today. Even simple. Like, I'm stressed out about. We read every comment and will reply.
We are so excited to learn with you. From Emily and Daniel,
keep practicing English every day. Be brave. Take care of yourself. See you next time.